How to fix Outlook login issues. Password, 2FA, and loop fix. Today I'm going to show you how. Outlook login problems are quite common and they can happen for several reasons, from wrong passwords and security verification errors to that frustrating sign-in loop that keeps bringing you back to the login page. The good news is, most of this can be fixed easily once you know where to look. First, if Outlook keeps rejecting your password, double check that caps lock isn't on and that you're typing the correct email address. If you're sure your password is right but it's still not working, go to Microsoft's password reset page and choose Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity either through email, text, or an authenticator app, and then create a new password. After resetting it, try logging in again. If it still fails, clear your browser's cache and cookies before signing in. Old stored data can sometimes interfere with login sessions. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication or 2FA, it usually means Outlook can confirm your identity properly. Make sure you're using the same device or phone number that's linked to your account. If you've changed devices recently, open your Microsoft account settings from another device where you're already signed in and update your 2FA method. You can also temporarily disable 2FA and re-enable it after logging in successfully. For users using an authenticator app, sync the app's time settings with your phone's automatic time. Mismatched times often cause verification codes to fail. Now, if Outlook is stuck in a login loop where it keeps asking for your password even after entering it correctly, that's often due to corrupted cookies or stored credentials. The quickest fix is to clear all Outlook related data. On your browser, go to Settings, find the Cookies section, and delete everything related to live.com or outlook.com. If you're using the Outlook desktop app, open the Credential Manager on Windows, locate Microsoft Office 16 underbar data ADAL, or any similar entries and remove them. Then restart your computer and try signing in again. That usually breaks the loop. For mobile users, if the Outlook app won't log in, first check your internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi can cause sign-in timeouts. If that's not the issue, open your device settings, go to Apps, find Outlook, and clear both cache and storage. Then relaunch the app and log in again. If you recently updated Outlook and the issue started after that, uninstall the app and reinstall the latest version from your App Store to ensure compatibility. Lastly, if you're using Outlook for work or school, sometimes the issue lies with your organization's account permissions or expired tokens. In that case, go to your Microsoft account security settings and sign out of all devices. Then sign back in only on your current one. This resets the authentication session and fixes many looping or access denied errors. Once you've done all this, you should be able to log in without problems. Resetting your password, checking 2FA settings, clearing cookies, and removing old credentials are usually all it takes to fix Outlook login issues. If problems persist, it's best to check the Microsoft Service status page to see if the issue is on their end. Sometimes, the servers themselves are the ones temporarily down.